Hey, Elementor enthusiasts, are you ready to add some wow factor to your designs? Today, I'll show you how to use the Perspective extension, a free feature from the amazing OoohBoi Steroids plugin. Let's dive in and create stunning 3D effects effortlessly. First, let's get set up. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type OoohBoi Steroids. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. It's 100% free and packed with cool features. After activating the plugin, ensure you enable the extension from the plugin settings. Once enabled, additional options will become available in your Elementor builder. Head to your Elementor editor and open an existing page or start a new one. Select or add any widget, image, text, button, or anything you prefer. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab and enable the Perspective toggle. Adjust the perspective value to control the 3D effect. A lower value creates a more dramatic appearance. Finally, use the Rotate X, Rotate Y, and Rotate Z sliders to tilt and rotate your widget in 3D space. It's incredibly easy and intuitive. Let's experiment with some settings and preview how this text widget looks on the live page. As you can see, there are a few options that allow you to move this text widget in 3D space. Feel free to experiment with different settings to match your design preferences. You can also apply these effects to any image, text widget, or button. Let's try it on an image widget. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Elementor tips and tricks. Share your favorite design hack in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Check out the link in the video description, as well as our other videos showcasing this plugin's extensions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.